Oh well, sorry. Just dealing done actually with these kind of Total AV and just want to watch nearby actually these Champions League. Just toddling around. Says us actually this came at 20 o'clock since a half hour ago. I mean in a half hour, sorry. But I think they're starting in an hour, right? Something like 9 o'clock, something here in Europe. So, well, a lot of problems with these anti-shield stuff and fucking crack, seriously. I hate that stuff. Here we go, Arsenal versus Bavaria. 20 o'clock. Let's just see. Oh well, then I just take it on. Just they say live, but I think it is 9:30 o'clock, or maybe it is 21 o'clock. So let's get it here in the middle console here. The antivirus program is finished. And now I have to deal done with myself with the cell phones. Spotify, I'm sorry for that one. I was doing a salad actually before, and that was took a half hour as well. I was saying 19 o'clock we started up. But well, I was let me actually give me a little time here and there, you know, just alright, good. Can be right now that the computer system makes a new start, like always. Let's just see. Or is it? Ooh, gone. Okay. Yeah, I know I'm live. I'm trying to get this one in here. There we go. Oh, who the hell is that? Just make a subscribe to him. So right now the 4th day, I just was not drinking here at home. Friday and Saturday was okay, fine as. Today it's Tuesday. Wet-nessday, but already say Wet-nessday. But it's okay because actually today I was sweating a lot in the work. Baby. A lot of poles are just actually in the air. Forgot it's Tuesday, right? I'm faster than my shadow right now already. Diddly dee. Ow!
Hello.
Diddly dee. Right. Now the music stuff here. It's so itchy right now. Get over here! Typical myself. Waiting for. Was tut das denn tun? Da bin ich denn schon drin? Sparmodus. Sparmodus für WLAN. Ich muss immer lachen. Was hat er jetzt gemacht? Wieder kein Sparmodus. Hundling! Ja, was ist das denn tun? Und ab in die Botanik. 12 Upgrade States. Na scheiße, hier zustimmen können, ich depp. Fahr weg. 10 minutes already done, and I have to say hello and welcome back to CarX Part 3 in the Wet-nessday. RuckiZuckii actually is Tuesday, but I don't care a fuck. Tomorrow, actually the last 2 days, I'm so seriously done. Yesterday, a lot of weight to boggle up actually the hill, and then today boggled down the double stuff actually down the hill. I'm done. I'm outpowered. Already got twice actually diarrhea as I come home. So yeah, that's okay, that's normal. Sweat a lot, you drink a bit. You need diarrhea. Hey. Okay. RuckiZuckii. Oh, where's my playlist? God damn it! I hear nothing. something. That's fine, as. Enjoy.
Def Nation's CarX Sound Pool. URL.
Pump, pump, pump up. Csak campaign, not drop is a little loot called process in exact, next spim. Hardcore next of the PNA. So this is my side account actually from DjVolgin. As actually DjVolgin was my side account from DefRekka. As they snapped me away for 1.5 years plus. And this year actually YouTube actually with DefRekka account as well. But I have fun on it. After 14 years or something, they hate me or something, I'm not sure. I'm a hater boy. Right. So what's going on tonight? Single player mode, a little bit maybe online. Have no cat check in my eyes. Only dust and sweat. So salt. Da 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 da. Oh, 360. Oh, he saved it. Alright, respect. So a little in here, a little in there. This one with the difficult starting up. Hey, Booger boy, I don't have Booger boy. I have not even something to throw with you on you. Grab, grab, ass grab. Lalelolelo. Muss aufs Klo. Dunk. Guten Morgen, Sonnenschein. Good job, Gabba Mag. Nitro the bad. Just was eating a little salad as I just cut it actually off. So it takes actually 50 minutes to come into the bulbs. Ganvarmas. God damn it. Just cleaner and better. It's a 22k, y'all. Oh man, it's a 21, but doesn't matter. I thought actually, oh, 12k we stopped. Damn it, we never get to 70k. Actually, the left drive every hard comes to 1200. It gives a lot of points after all, and the multiplicator is starting up very fast. Schon wieder was in den Boden drin, oder? Oh, dang it. Was macht denn das so gut? Myself. Oh my gosh. I don't want to actually rip me apart into a sleeping room and just oh well, I'm the hostel then for her. Wie die Bodeneinrichtung überhaupt noch nicht abgeschlossen. Oh mein, hat er gesagt, Totenschüsse. I was too fast actually in that corner and harbor-sected a lamppost. Oh yeah, we just gave away actually €110. Hold on. Oh, I just write that down. Wow. You intelligent bastical asshole. How the hell had you... Sometimes I'm just writing it, I totally forgot it. In the same moment actually I... Wow, that's crazy. Like it. Sup, sup. Astron. Got something fine ass. Start us up with the fine ass then. Geht denn das geschissene Spiel los? Das geschissene Spiel. Den ich Gas gebe. RuckiZuckii. Wo ist denn da? Da ist er ja. Anstoß mit Kroos. Nein, eigentlich nicht. Tim Allen, oder? Was war eigentlich da immer los? Ja. Oh, vielleicht ist er... Was ist, hat er es gesagt? Vor der Nauf oder schaut er sich selber an? Tschüss, hab kein Peiner, Schwab, ist ja Lüt, Salut, Goldbrust, hat er die schnell gespielt. Welcome back, oder hat er gesagt? Ob er jetzt irgendein Sound-App geschrieben, dass ich jetzt gerade gedacht habe. Ja, warte mal. Warte. Gas. Geht schon noch. Oh mein Gott, komm mal über rein, oder? You know, I have two accounts, and one account the Subaru is very well, and I think that was not this account in here. Was a duplicate for myself on DjVolgin from the DjVolgin account. It was the same about the RX-7. I just tried actually a brake a little while and just started it up there. I see, oh, it's sliding too much. Brake more, and just don't do actually the pedal to the metal. God dang. Okay. But I think that's the better car because 188 miles. I don't know. Ah, was ist denn mit dem Controller wieder los? Hier gebrochen, da gebrochen. Ach, das schneidet schon langsam ins Fleisch ein. Wortwörtlich, oder? Dieses Spiel schneidet ins Fleisch. I'm directly connected actually with my wound from the controller because it's so broken. I'm directly connected actually with that game CarX together. Cheers auf Kampagne for PC2, so lose Gold Bronzen die nächste Spiel. Forbidden. Jetzt wird er noch gleich zurückschreiben, Kosei. Er hockt schon im Stadion, aber ich weiß nicht, Kosei. Gamarimas. Minuten hat er noch. Da weiß ich, ob das Spiel schon losgeht oder ob es schon vorbei ist oder so. Ja, Qualität für weglassen und nicht dafür. Sonst auf 400 ausgeht. Nice one! Online okay! Yay! Good decision, we started up new. Verlinkt. Der Counter spinnt. Iman, Subaru, not whatever car, sorry, the other one. No, mixed up a bit. Ja, bin ich denn schon drin? Kommt nix. Also wie ein Farbmerken wird da mit aufpassen. Oder irgendwie läuft einfach nichts. Warum weiß ich? Oder hockt daheim und schafft so. Alles möglich. Next vehicle? No. No? Alright. I think I need to go to pee. Alkohol komme, Alkohol gehe. Aber die RuckiZuckii-Kandidaten schauen eigentlich da. Just watching actually these one in here. Let's just see. Catch a nod. And it says, hello? 7 people, so no wonder. That's why nobody's watching here. Playing with the your age viewers, anyone can join. I don't know your room. I'll be joking. Oh, I'm the second one in here. Alright, everything's good. RuckiZuckii Wet-nessday. They're thinking I'm Japanese now. Oh gosh, I'm so sorry for that one. Gomedasai. I'm gonna pee, be right back. Oh, honey, what's wrong? Så jag sätter bättre till Janne så hardcore. Ja, fertig oder was? Oh, Sockerrippen. Oh, musst die Akkus rausdrücken, was da los? Gut, entscheiden, was du magst. Makito! Jetzt haben wir da bloß wieder Buch da. Funktioniert wieder Wahnsinn. Einmal laden, einmal saugen. Also mit dem Staubsauger. What the hell? Ja, aber alle mal her. Mag er da auch nicht mehr. Das ist schon so widerspenstig geworden. Bitte sehr. Danke schön. Domo arigato, Tony. Shikodai wa. Nande? Oh, keine Ahnung. Schon so durchgerost. Zirkzirring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5. Okay. Vegetable bulb. Ah, here we go. Ah. Juhu! Tau! Tau! Mal der Granat. Was? Was das sieht aus? Ah, ich glaube, der schaut da, hä? Mr. Soka fahren. Oh, jetzt hat er mal geschrieben. Erst genau um 20 Uhr ist Anstoß. Anstoß ist erst um 21 Uhr. taugt. Oh, gleich mal Futter für den ganzen Graf wieder. Oh mein Gott. Geht denn das? Kann man da? Ah ja, da. Gibt's da Beleuchtung oder so? Ja. Aber was er da draus macht? Randlos, voll da, Herr Geschmarri. $21, warum sagen die dann 20 Uhr? Okay. Oh, so we have still actually an hour to play. Because actually at 21 o'clock there is actually these, what's that? Ist nicht mehr auf der neuesten Stand. Ja, bla bla bla. Bla bla bla. Arsenal versus FC Bayern here is actually them playing. Was macht jetzt der schon wieder für mir? Vielleicht werden wir auch keinen haben, du Hirni. Hirnschutz aktualisiert. Sonntag 7:15 Uhr. 20:02 Uhr aktualisiert. Da sagt er ist nicht mehr auf dem neuesten Stand. Ja, du bist mehr so auf dem neuesten Stand, du Hirni. Antivirus stuff, you know. Will be there, but not for you. Yeah. You just gave money away for having VPN and antivirus and malware spam protection, but not for you. Did I do that? Sentence crack. Just have campaign as Robbie Salute or lose gold for us in the next stream. And that's the last one. Mr. Guyver Mac. Oh, what happened? Not in the corner again. Oh, crack, yeah. Wenn du Stunde ist eh schon kein Problem mehr. Bestärkst Stimme da ein bisschen Arsenal. Ding aller Welt, das ist FC Bayern. So hat's halt nur mehr da, ne. Ja, scheiße, also Arsenal. Das sind da ein bisschen in der Halbzeit noch. Da sind die schon 4 Tore drin. Hokus. Da kommt da wieder der dunkle Fürst. Was habt ihr jetzt schon wieder? Jetzt wieder. Ja, schon. Ja! 頑張ります。Ernsthaft? Oh, das was good. The car has a little problem somehow. It's actually the bad version. Yeah, I'm not taking care somehow today. I'm drifting. I don't know why. Are you fucking kidding me? Don't use the handbrake. Don't use the brake and it stops by the points. I use it too much. no debris. Salut. I used the brake too much in the corner, and then I saw actually it stamping up by 1 digit, 10 digit, 20 digit. Oh gosh, okay. No 1000 step, you know. Whatever. Oh god damn it. Moving, careful, loud. What's this Kurt Cobain? Das geht von rein. Das liegt danach in die Küche streuen. Also, Speis, Potze, ja, ist gut. Und Prioritarium. Was mit Nei von Mittel und den Schmann. Was hat er gesagt? I don't care, I don't know. Seriously, it seems like to be actually today night. It's gonna be raining. Tschüss, abgefahren. Schwab ist der Lüter, Rütwald, warum mit ihm nicht spielen?
Sorry, smile. All moments, smile.
Yeah. RIL, you know, I'm so sorry. IRL, not RL, not the more working, this American English. IRL. But for me, it's actually Ireland, right? Pakistan, Labukistan, keine Ahnung. Bullshit. Makes no sense, right? So it must be Ireland. But maybe IRL is actually a video game, I'm not sure. Oh, look at that, 888 drift with that account in here. Yippee-ki-yay. Next vehicle. Next vehicle. Not much vehicles. That's your fun. Abstand halten, hi. Ja, sonst gibt's auf die Nasenspitzen. So ein schlapperter Maler hat eigentlich meine Mutter haben bemalt. Gescheit super gewesen sein. Blut hat auch noch. Ach genau. Ist das Mari. Einige Schiefklopfer mit dem Maler. Ah, gesagt, dann hat der Bahn eine Tutosen noch gelassen und hat gesagt, ah Scheiße, jetzt hab ich nicht geschissen. Sehr fix. Ja, wenn es halt einmal 890. Oh, I think we have already done everything. St. Petersburg. Man, the thunder came in. So it came from the the other opposite side. This thunder. That makes sense. Stage 2 of the ventilation system. Little tequila. She's up campana to obviously, so this guy in the next stream. Oh, I think he's gone or something. This guy, you know, Hugo. International rights for a law or something. What is that meaning? Hocus poke. Gambaremasu. Gabatte. The ventilation system are actually fighting right now against the thunder came from outside into the window. Stop doing it. Oh, that beauty with all this fine ass. So actually two lesbians are meeting each other and showing ass off, and she says, "Oh my god, you're fine ass." But they're saying, "Fuck yourself, you lesbian," and you say, "Oh well, I'm single actually for my whole life." And maybe you opened up the door with your key. I don't know. And then you're sitting actually with the two lesbians in the bathtub or something. Nobody knows how we started up this action. Yeah. Woo! That music. Come on, faster. Oh, the song is off. That loud machine. Water totally through good. So close to 50k. So 42 minutes left, or 41 minutes left. I think at this time actually I'm starting to get sober. I mean half drunk. Sober. Nice but a very intensive loud engine. Mondello! Yay! Piece of crimp of fucking dog tarmac hell. Wie es Kur schwarz auch meint. Genauso V6 von der Kur, also von der Strecken. Also vom Asphalt, ne? Ah, wurscht. Oh, schau her, 41 Minuten Livestream, 41 Minuten haben wir noch. Jetzt sind wir bei 82, 83 Minuten. Hey, ja, mei, schaut die keiner zu. Ja, ich trinke jetzt da mal 7,5 jetzt gerade. Eisgekühlt, dass ich morgen noch mehr schwitzen muss. Aber morgen ist ja so ein kurzer Tag wieder, das ist ja wieder so ein Scheiß. Schön die Blütenstaub nochmal richtig am Morgen noch gespielt, dass wir morgen richtig scheißen haben, wenn wir dann keine Toiletten nicht haben. Hum. Actually, in here and actually in there. We don't have. How you feeling, guy? But Mac over there overnight to the bed? Ah, a little dripping, eh? Oh, sec, bro. Closer. Closer. Oh, dong. Ding-a-ding, ding-a-ding, ding-a-ding. Time to change the music, eh? Wutcha. Ich muss jetzt langsam nach Stuttgart fahren, da muss ich Kernkraft hören. Machen Sie mein Auto bereit. Kernkraft. Ist das nicht anders, nicht Kernkraft oder so? Ich weiß nicht mehr. Simpsons. Ich glaube, das war die 3. Staffel oder die 2. Staffel. Ich glaube, das war die 1. Staffel sogar. Na, das war schon die 3. Staffel. Mach schnell. Ich muss fahren jetzt wieder nach Bavaria, nach Stuttgart. Na, wir Baden-Württemberg, Stuttgart. Kernkraft läuft gleich. Ut. Ach, Kraftwerk, jetzt nicht Kernkraft. Kraftwerk war das. Ach, ich bin nicht ein Depp. Musst du Kraftwerk. Da sind Dieter Bohlen noch nicht richtig einmal gegeben, den Zip für den. Speaks the demon in the background here in the apartment room. What the hell is that? You put your importer, you put your D.R.O. Mahato Yuja. Bet gör importor. Importeranta. Importör. Portmark Import GmbH KG. Wiesbergringen Hamburg. Alemanha. Deutschland. Germania. Alemania. Saxa. Oh, that's actually Poland, right? Saxa, they're saying. Sierra Tequila Rasparto. Reposado. Entschuldigung. Shut up. How about that? I don't like the music. Restart. It's for the public. Schlagwerk statt Kraftwerk. Dolly. Piestiano. Vamos. Here we go.頑張ります. Yes sir, 50k! Normally I can do a 50k here in Mondello Park, so that was a nice one. Beautiful. A 700 XP as well. A 52k. Oh my gosh, that's a new record for me. It's only possible with actually high-speed cars. Or actually BMWs. Or maybe Mitsubishi. I'm not sure about that one. But that was the first time I did actually over 50k on Mondello Park in my life here since more than 3 years now. Razazu. Mata, be right back. Need to go to title. dir schicken mit dem Auto-Link, dass du auf den Scheißen kommst. Oh, wie geil. Einfach gerade rumstehen. Und jetzt zuerst das Herz. Jetzt da so. So geil. Sonnenbrandschutz 2 Millionen. Was auf 0. Pfeife. Bureau, where's the Bureau? Und there's the Bureau. So, der fährt nächste, oder? Schau du. Bitte flexen und böse, aber flexen, oder? So wie flexen. Was ist los? Gibt es die Live-Kommentare dann? Oh my god, I totally forgot actually Facebook. Oh shit. So most people like watching it from Facebook. Totally forgot that one. Social. That dude Christopher or something. Or what's the copy ID? Here we go. Stefan. Mr. Bullermann. Wie mich die Oma halt gefragt hat, ja, wie können Sie nur alleine leben? Haben Sie einen Führerschein? Nein, auch nicht. Aber das kann ich mir doch gar nicht mehr vorstellen. So lieb. Freilich geht das. Alles possible, hat er gesagt, haben sie es knackgebrochen. Weiß ich nicht. Geht's an da? RuckiZuckii oder was los ist da? Machen wir gleich. So, jetzt da. Bist du echt so groß? Na, irgendwas hat hier nicht hin. Warte mal, hier den nochmal. Den nochmal. Ah, 50%. 30%. Oh, Entschuldigung, das war zu heftig. Ja. Was ist denn hier los? Ja, was wird denn hier gespielt? Gar nicht mal zu einer funktioniert. Oh, und dem liegt es höchstwahrscheinlich, habe ich den ein bisschen hingezogen. Ja, das nervt hier, ich weiß, ich kann das nicht wegtun. Gott, den Scheiß hier. Kann ich deswegen auch nicht zusammenziehen? Das war damals so. Was ist da los? Ist er da? So ein Schrott. Keine Ahnung. Oh, it's good fake, that's really. Now the back pain. I started up actually with these kind of, you know, Australia for trust. You have to all the times watching out and then swinging left, swinging left, swinging left, or maybe right, left, right, left, right, left. Thors. Ja, ja, da habe ich zuerst mit da hinten weggelangt, reingeschmissen und Alter. Ich könnte das gar nicht hinkriegen, weil es wäre mir so ekelhaft dann. Ich bin schon einen gescheiten Salat oder fertig aus. Da versteckt sie alles noch. Aber bloß die obere Haut, ich habe immer drei Lagen. Zwiebeln, Paprika unten rein, das Balsamikum schon mal. Dann kommt nochmal so halber der Salat erst einmal, den fuselt umeinander, machst kalt und machst sauber, reibst, speist rein. Dann kommen Gurken, Tomaten, Zwiebel, also unterhalb war auch schon eine Zwiebel, oben nochmal eine Zwiebel drauf. Kommt von dem halben Salat, der überblieben ist, ein Viertel Salat rein. Kommt Mortadella rein, Mozzarella glaube ich heißt. Katastrophe. Dann kommt noch eine Paprika rein. Also wieder. Was gibt da noch rein? Das ist ein bisschen Geflügelwurst, was ich noch gehabt habe. Genau, Apfelstückerl. Kommt da ganzer Apfel rein. In dem Sinne waren es jetzt 1,5 Apfel. Dann kommt noch mal Tomaten rein. Dann kommt noch mal. Der Salat, da feit irgendwas. Irgendwas sagt mir mein Gehirn, da feit doch noch was. Und der Salat noch rein. Und dann kommt die Würstel oben drauf. Dann noch mit das letzte Dressing. Aber irgendwie feit da irgendwas. Was habe ich vergessen? Aber der Doof ist ja schon voll. Nee. Der Doof ist halt auch so. Was noch? Die werden dann über die Nacht geladen. Deswegen gehe ich so oft pieseln. Pipi. 9 o'clock and 7 minutes after. 67 minutes actually in the live stream. Gewiss. Ja, das hat er sich auch geschaut, das dann nicht mehr. Ja, mei, so ist das nicht. Ja, macht er noch. I need to smoke out. Because I'm about 1 centimeter of cigarette. That's always shitty. It's exactly the point where I say, okay, I can't drive or drift. Because it's always going into your mouth, your nose. Why the hurry? Right? Here we go. Well, what I'm listening for. A little bit metal, rock, dubstep, and funk. Funk. Ja, der Michi wird das ganz gewiss schon sagen. Ich glaube, Stani wird schon schlafen noch gleich. Ja. Wird schon bei schlafen. Schauen wir da mal schnell. Ja, übertragen die live oder nicht? Schauen wir mal. Ah, scheiße. Hm. Was? 19,8% für Bayern. Der Rest ist Arsenal. Also Bayern verliert auf jeden Fall, oder was? Ja, es geht um Prime Video oder was? Datsen liegt bei Amazon Prime, während sich Datsen um den Rest kümmert. Leute. Na scheiße, Alter. Das kann sich der Michi nicht einmal anschauen. Ah, da steht ja Uhrzeit 21 Uhr, was hofft ich. Wow. Das ist ja eine Scheiße, oder? Das ist so ein Kack, oder? Das gibt's bloß bei Amazon Prime. Meine Fresse, so machen die Geld. Only Amazon Prime. Ist aber scheiße, oder? Huh. Na gut, das ist ein Hinspiel, oder wie man das nennt. Vorrunde. Viertelfinale. Oh mei, oh mei. Bin ich schon Mensch, jetzt, dass ich noch warte schon, dass wir verloren haben. Komm, Body Maus. nice one. Oh, so many mistakes because these vehicles. Just there was so many moments actually I couldn't brake, couldn't actually give a little pedal to the metal because the gears just hang in. I thought actually let it run or just let it flow, and then you're missing and it starts twice up, I think. So that's actually these part what you're seeing here right now, these kind of 80k. So I think that is not over 50 in here. Sorry for that one. God damn it. Livestream oder so. So. Geht halt nichts zusammen, ne? Halt nicht. Na. Die schauen sie nur anders bei jou. Ja, bald. Diablo. Das ist ja Vorrundenspiel, aber es ist Viertelfinale. Schauen wir mal. Part³ kampagne. Shwabi salut, Goldbrossen, die next stream, tadaimasu. Ah, tequila. Breaking the record of 66 time attack on the sidebar account. Need for speed tech. Hold on, not Need for Speed. What was the name? Defnation CB? Defnation CB. Here we go. Sorry. 68 now. Here's another one. That. Gambatte. The beginning of CarX actually, that was actually a 1 minute 46, now it's a 4 minutes 46. What the hell is going on with these people? Oof, so many time left now. das? Ziemlich langweilig halt, ne? Das ist ja nach 4 Tagen wieder sauf. Langweilig, aber ne. Umso älter ich wäre, umso schlimmer wäre es mal, ne? Anstoß! Komplett verpasst. Schauen wir rein. Jetzt ansehen. Like. Wiedergabe ab Anfang. Na, ganz normal Like bitte. Ist ein Problem aufgetreten. Jesus Maria. Ja, der Chance fällt dazu, gell? Ist komisch, ne? Restore. Pizza. Oh je, oh je. Muss ich mir den Schmarrn echt durchschauen. Ah, ich weiß ja nicht. Du meinst die schiersten, die Hand und die schiersten Werte. Das war 15,9% davon berechnet, dass, wie soll ich das erklären? Das ist ja wurscht. Oh, you really wanna go on live with that vehicle in here? Ich glaube, dann schauen wir das Fußballspiel nicht an, also geraumt ist. Springstone. Porta normale. Cheese. My Lane. Oh, My Lane heißt ja eigentlich Dragster Drift und Scheiß, ne? Oh mein Gott. Schauen wir mal kurz rein und dann gehen ins Fußballspiel, weil ich keinen Bock dann immer. Schackigkeit kann dazu. Kaffee und Kuchen, Salat besser gesagt. So, das kriegst du mal. Das bleibt jetzt mal drin. Bump. Das haben wir bei 30 €. Ich jetzt davor vor Viertel. Jetzt sind wir bei 7,5 €. Von den Kosten her für nur das Material. Also das war jetzt eigentlich ein 10 € Ding, was so kauft man dann beim McDonald's oder so. Da kommt schon wieder, dass das so teuer wird. Ja, haut schon, gell. Da kriegt der Christopher auf 2 Tage einen Salat zusammen so am Tag für 30 €. Wo andere eine Pizza bestellt haben, damals 3 Pizzen und gesehen 30 €. Schon krass, gell? Wahnsinn. Der Christopher frisst am Abend so ungefähr 20 Euro zusammen. Sauft den ganzen Tag noch und raucht noch, dann haben wir 40 Euro. 40 Euro sauft, raucht und frisst der Christopher an einem Tag zusammen. 40 Euro. Was verdiene ich am Tag? 100. Gießen wir doch selber, oder? Scheiße, oder? Da wollen wir schon wieder, ja. Langsam kein Bock mehr nach 3,5 Jahren, eigentlich schon der spät zum Spielen. Kein Bock mehr, Alter. Schaut die Kassan aber zu. Das Hopfen und Malz ist doch verloren, oder? The fuck, dude?
Rekka in the motherfucking house. Watching on Amazon Prime Arsenal vs FC Bavaria. Love this guy, he's the main man. So I'm not here by 70% smile. So Moan changed Springstone to another track for 4 min as well. Cheers up. Arsenal wins tonight anyway. One 9% the champs say FC Bayern wins. So we getting so much out of Amazon soon anyway. Champions League at European soccer.
Ce s-a capano, Schwab ist salut geschrieben.
Football, not soccer. I know. In European we say football. Do you like CeeLo Green? USA says soccer, vomit smile. Europe came first, so we call it football. With foot. Third and college football. WTF. Versus myself. Gosh. Waste of time.
Yeah, I'm not speak fully today.
Back, Larry. Need to pee.
The construction work was very, you know, concentrating in muscle work and the exhausting system on my body. I really want to talk today, but I'm so really done. On the construction work, sometimes there's days. Excavation system versus another human doing a rally, with Shukcon. What's that Shukcon? It kind of, it doesn't matter, but I just so exhausted. Moving so many earth today. I'm sorry. My muscles are actually hurting. Everything else. But tomorrow actually it's a half day to work. That's a special work for the company. They are actually getting a lot of money tomorrow when I'm just done with this. It's kind of you doing this 2 hours long. You have actually printed down 2 workers, 8 hours long. What I'm doing tomorrow with another worker, 2 hours long. Makes a lot of money. It calls actually getting plates into the wall, drying off the wall, better say. You got a lot of money with this. 10 times actually normal worker actually getting for 9 hours a day. So it doesn't matter. But well, yesterday and today I was getting so much fucked up. Excavation system versus humanity. It doesn't matter. I'm so seriously done. Exhausted. Fucked up. That's why I already called it Wet-nessday. It's Tuesday, I know. But I called the live stream Wet-nessday already. Maybe I'm tomorrow better done. Give away 120 euros to this day for alcohol. So tomorrow, the afternoon. I think after midday I'm already maybe home and getting this game done, or just playing other games, you know. I don't know. Maybe I'll go to sleep. Trying to watching all the times Amazon right now, Amazon Prime Video. This Arsenal versus FC Bayern. But this, you know, the chance that Arsenal wins is actually kind of a 60 to 70%. Let's just see. I'm still drifting and I don't want to watch it right now, the first 45 minutes. Let's see. I'm tired. I'm very tired. But I want to drink. I want to smoke. I just want to drink tequila, having a live stream. That was 4 days ago. I just was on CarX. And tomorrow it's a half day, so I don't know. I'm a single guy without a license of driving a vehicle. A grandmother from the neighborhood actually came over from the construction area. She was asking, I have a little problem here and there. So I can't get actually to your place because Saturday I have no license drive. I have no car. Are you single or are you married? I say I'm single. It's more than 37 years now. How in the hell you just actually survive? And she is actually 87, and let's just say I have bicycle. I was driving 26 years long with the bicycle. Unbelievable. So you're not married? I say no. Not even a girl or something was touching my pee-pee, you know, something like that. She was shocked. Say yeah, some people's growing up with a stepmother, goes into the Patchwork family, grown up by herself, was working all the time since a 6-year-old on the hops garden, on the fields actually in Bavaria. So she was shocked. I was saying, yeah, people, sometimes you finding people's, and then she asking what kind of a work I just learned. I just was saying actually a construction worker, a bricklayer in all 3 stages, you know, from the basement up to the stage 1 to the roof, you know, and the dry laying and all this stuff inside, and not the electric or the plumber. I don't can. Yeah, but this is nonsense. I'm just a bricklayer, but construction worker it calls because we do dealing everything done. Since I actually grown up in the construction work, so we dealing done everything. But this is my second company. I just been in there. So 20 years I'm at the construction work right now, and the rest of it was always the farmerhood. So I don't know. I say it's fantastic to live alone, to be single. It's fantastic. It's okay. A lot of time for drinking, playing video games, but she didn't understood that. she was very shaky, and then she asked actually, okay, I need to find somebody else maybe, but there's nothing actually like a little space to do dealing down with the work. I say, okay, next week we still there actually in this construction area. Let me see what we can handle out, you know. So no problem. I just need actually. You need to let me watch what's going on in here, and so yeah, something like that. So I'm 2 hours not in the original company working there, but she pay, and I say I was making a break 2 hours long, and I help you out for whatever you need. That's actually a good neighborship where we actually worked today and yesterday, and the last week. Yeah, so no problem. Just a plastering or something, no problem. But she need to pay for that. And I don't write actually down, let's just say 2 hours. There was a break actually for myself in the construction work where we are just working. So yeah, I'm not an asshole, you know, I just, no problem. Alright. Sure, where I just wanna go. Maybe changing the car then. Really wish I just watching the soccer game, the football game. I'm not ready to end up the live stream as well. It is so much pissing me off. But it's actually just a kind of a quarter work. They're just getting done with the Champions League, so just the next day is actually free for that. Sunday is actually the kind of the qualification for the half final for the Champions League, so everything's open. If FC Bayern is just losing, I give a fuck. There's Manchester, so many, actually Turin, there's just so many clubs that maybe want to win the Champions League this year, so I really give a fuck. But today it was on Amazon to watch it. And Amazon all the time says the player's not ready, then you're watching it a bit, and the player's not ready again. And so I say, okay, let's stay actually on the drift racing stuff, you know. So fuck it. This is my side-by account of DjVolgin. Better say actually on DevNation then. But there's no DefRekka anymore. They hacked me. 1.5 years later, YouTube DefRekka just not existing anymore. 100, what was it again? I can't even remember anymore. The pain is just away, and so many subscribers. I reached actually after 1.5 years now. No, hold on. No, hold on. 4 months. 4 months now. 8 subscribers. Hey, that's something. It's not easy. And somehow I'm getting bored and Springston, yeah, now you're there, huh? I don't give a fuck with that. Fast wrenches. Really? Oh, I don't have the tires for that. I'm using 110% then. God damn it. There's only one. Forget about it. No name, forget about it. It's not running something to that. Wanna drift online? Nothing running. Kami Road, boring. So with the same crack, late night. Team Tuga. For real. Boring. Next one. Better driving actually by myself, single player. Makes more sense. So is there rabbits, terrorists. Yeah, let's deal with them. Let's see what's going on in here. I'm tired. That's my 18 cigarette, a 12 beer, and a half bottle of tequila Sierra. Yo, Gava Mac, what are you dealing down with, you know, Nitro the Bad? I have no actually force anymore to hit you. Ci sa w kampaniu człowiek się ludzko i po prostu nie ekspimy. Gosh, this will be equal loud. Oh, come on.
You're really good. I am not sure. You a pro.
What did I try to say? Oh, here we go. No, wrong button. No, here we go. No. Here we go.
We're absolutely a beast at this game.
Oh, come on, almost nighttime. Did you say? Sorry. See that?
My side axe to DjVolgin. Well, I'm just not much into drifting.
Yeah, kind of. It's just like today is like, I don't know. She's up kapane schon, hvis du så skal spille. Biro. Not every car is the same. Not every car moves the same on every track. What feels done with CarX, that's very difficult. Wow, look at that. Where I could find that. Blah, 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 blah. Here we go. Peter Raback, need to go to pee. I'm sorry.
You're the best. I am not. Sorry, 9. But thanks. Be right back. P.
I'm very speechless today. I'm sorry. The construction work was very hard today. Yesterday as well.
You are.
Keeps me a little bit down. Hold on. I'm still standing in front of the toilet now. Salad. This is kind of a cucumber mixed actually with beer. Ugh, holy crap. Thank you very much. Come on, Larry. How long you know me? And I'm playing other video games actually nearby. Even if it's in the morning time at 2 o'clock before I go to work 4 hours later.
You're better than most I've seen.
Listening the same by actually the Spotify list. Sorry. I mean, I'm German, but I understand the English part. Everything's good. But sometimes the Spotify noise actually is very loud in my earplugs. Got the headset overall. But the girls sometimes speaking this English and German a little bit weirdo. Yeah, definitely. Well, thanks, dude. Come on, P! Oh, don't, please, don't. Just count to 3. Itch. Knee. Son. And here we go. The bubble's open. Ah. Tequila and beer. Für die zweite Halbzeit, oder? Egal. Was sagt man der Julian morgen? Oh, Freilich. Oh, fix hat er gesagt. Jetzt ist mir der Zipfel da gefallen. Schmarrn. Biro, biro. Open up the fridge. Hello? Someone there? No one. Yeah, well, the cola bottle just a little bit refreshed. You know, I just drinking the cola for 2 liters actually with rum and cola. It's 2 weeks, and now the cola is actually a little bit sparkless.
What's the lobby name?
Oh, okay, hold on. That's a good question. KSA, WF1F, DFNN, and something actually. Left and something. Left, right, up, below, but you say C actually up in the left corner. KSA, WF1F, DFNN. Oh.
Oppenheimer.
And then a lot of these stuff and oh, this is LA.
KSAWF1FDFNN. Los Angeles.
Oh, what's up?
LA.
Yeah.
But I am not into. It's night and noisy too much.
Something like that, yeah.
Into what?
Honey? Dollars? Oh, it's just a while, let's just re-sparks. Tequila and beer, and then let's keep on moving again. Harry Berry. I'm just kidding. Larry David. Okay, that makes no sense. Larry Harry David. I'm just kidding. Halle Berry. I just fought on Halle Berry. Maybe you don't know. Well, after so many charts, the tits actually going down below actually to her. Yeah, well, I don't want to talk about it anyway. That one too. Oh, come on, people, let's do something. Be done. Aufgebaut oder?
Hard lock.
Headlock. Oh, I'm sorry. Headlock. Sorry, my English.
Headlock. Hard lock. I am not in mood at law in night. So I am tiered. You're the man. More like episode afternoon light. 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 Damn English on me. $2K on XP. LOL 212 min. I do double in single player. Waste of time. That's why I hate MP online so much. You're too good to play single player. $500 XP per single run with extra on changing cars and tracks in just 6 min.
He never understands. Holy shit. Yeah, whatever. 4 times and 2k, what the fuck? That's meanwhile in 10 minutes instead of 22 minutes. Come on. Single player makes more fun. Multiplayer is just dead actually for me. Since 2 years now. Makes up fun. You can go to pee, you can relax, can change another car, painting the car, going to the track, and doing a 700 XP or 600 XP. Multiplayer is just dead for me so much. Seriously, already off on the microphone. Bye bye, have a nice time.
Top 3-2 is my favorite. There is no list here. Nest page. I wish Most Wanted from 2006 back as remastered or the run. Top 3-2 in CarX is like police chase. Me too. Good night. I'm just a loser. Good day, sir. You would do well in top 3-2. I am dealing always as a big loser cause since I am 6 years with hard depressions and now I am 37 single and good at work to use me. So my time for chill is driftin'. No time I'm single and 1-3 hours a day as construction worker buisi. I'm just chillin' here. Not even my family cares since my 10 year on me. Your viewers is better than playing alone. Since DefRekka failed after years on PsN with 900 games and 271 subs, I give a fuck on virtual life. In Dead Inside since 2 years now. Since Colin McRae in 1998 I've grown up with Rally. PlayStation stole all my ID. So I get the most of the fuck for Livestream and buying games to Livestream. Still now I am on 205 games after 2022. DefRekka is dead other this year on YouTube since 2011. Been hard depressed and don't care on friends anymore the make act me. Now I am just want to be alone. Then why stream? Helping like DefRekka with game saves too. But may not good for to USA they will ban me again. I'm off now. I can see why. Too much on keyboard, eyes on controller. Late now. Two 211. Two 211 here. Bye. Hello. I can hear you. Can't.